Hi, welcome to Amplified Insights, where we talk about business, classic rock, and life in general. Who doesn't love Motown? It's 1962, and a band called the Contours are at the studio when Berry Gordy offers them a song called Do You Love Me? Do you love me now that I can dance? You know the song. Excuse the singing. Now, this song was actually meant for the Temptations, who were another struggling Motown band at the time, but they weren't there. They were at a concert instead. Now, the struggling Contours, they seized the moment, recording what would become their breakthrough hit. Now, this wasn't just luck. Their first two singles had flopped, but they kept showing up, kept honing their craft, and success came because they were ready when opportunity knocked. But here's the key: they were there. The Temptations missed their shot because they were somewhere else. Now, in business, opportunities rarely announce themselves with fanfare. They often appear as seemingly small moments that could be easily missed. Your big break might disguise itself as a routine meeting or an offhand comment or just a small project, but you'll miss it entirely if you're not present, prepared, and ready to recognize it. Are you consistently showing up where opportunities in your industry might be found? Your Do You Love Me moment might be just around the corner. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay amplified.